Hey Dad, remember that umbrella that I needed? Yeah, I had to buy one today for 10 euros, so yeah, thanks. We hopped in a cab at Anna Capri and headed down to Marina Grande, where we got on our ferry to Positano. Super windy day. We're going to be getting on this boat here to go to Positano. So we just arrived in Positano. Give you a little tour of our place. Super old Italian for sure. I'm fair with the lights are. The bathroom. No idea where the light is. There it is. After arriving at our Airbnb, we were told that we could go find some food just 5 minutes down the street. We ended up going down the stairs all the way into Positano, which was 1,865 steps. They call it the steps to heaven. We were totally unprepared. We were in flip-flops. So if you do plan on doing the steps to heaven, just make sure you're wearing proper footwear. If you go to the main beach in Positano, the beach chairs are going to be around 20 euros each per chair. If you walk 10 minutes, there's Il Fornillo Beach, which is only 10 euros for each beach chair, and it's a more quiet local beach. That's where we spent our first day in Positano. So when we first arrived in Positano, we literally had to lug our 50-pound bags up these stairs, and they just continue forever and ever. It was brutal. Getting around Positano is difficult. People will literally kill you just to get a spot on the bus. The bus only runs every hour, and it's rammed with people just waiting and waiting. There are some ways to get around that by going to the bus stop beforehand. That's the only way that we ended up getting a seat on the bus, let alone a spot on the bus. It's good, yeah?
Starting.
We're going to go eat at Il Capitano, I think it's called. We think so. Overlooks the Positano. I'm glad I brought a sweater. Cliff. It's a little bit chilly today, so I'm actually in pants. So is on. Michael and I went to the beach today. We just laid on the beach for free. We didn't actually rent any chairs because huge thunderstorm, so we weren't sure if it was gonna rain or not. So. Anyways, so now we're back and we're gonna go eat dinner. It ended up actually being a really nice day. It was supposed to thunderstorm all day and it didn't.
So hot, goddamn.
I'm so tan.
Going to the beach, tanning salon.
Look at that. That looks sick.
Look kind of like an old man. That's, see? No bueno. Prego. Prego. You should definitely get that. You're looking fire. On our way to the restaurant. It's honestly insane how people drive here, but it's like nothing compared to Naples and Rome.
I really wanted a shirt, guys.
This is the restaurant we're going to. Restaurante Il Capitano, I think. Capitano. Okay, well the restaurant's actually closed, so we're gonna be going somewhere else.
It's how it works, Dominique.
No, it's closed. I'm so annoyed. We should have eaten there yesterday. Anyways, we will find another place. This is where we ended up at Sorrento d'Oro. It looks really nice.